I'm Anjana. So I've been visiting doctor, if I remember correctly, from 2005. So first time I came to visit doctor for my son Avinash. He had warts on his face, and we had done a couple of laser treatment for Avinash, but it was just resurfacing again and again, and I got him through some referral. I came to Dr.Manoj first time for my son, and almost, I guess, a year and a half of treatment, all his warts were completely cured. It was actually on his face in the lower part of the chin, so it was all completely cured for Avinash. So that was my first meet up with the doctor for my son. So after that, I was also suffering from polycystic ovary, and I had very irregular cycles. I was on some hormonal treatment, and then I met doctor for my personal treatment also. So I think I took treatment for 2.5 years. This was way back in 2006, if I remember, and after 2.5 years of treatment, till date, my cycles have been very regular. There is no issue of irregular cycles. So that was, another thing, like that made me, my belief in doctor even more further. I started, getting confidence in his treatment. So after that, I've been coming to doctor for my son's multiple issues. So he has some hair fall issues and other things. So I've been visiting doctor since 2005. I'm his patient. So one of the best thing that I like about doctor is that the moment you walk into his cabin, there is a welcome smile that the doctor gives, and any problem you tell him, it doesn't matter what it is, he says one statement that I always hear from him is that, "Don't worry, I'll take care of it." Actually, that statement of his gives a lot of confidence to the patients, is what my belief is, and that make them believe that okay, whatever they are suffering, whatever issues they have, it can be treated to the best possible extent. He will help in getting that treatment done. So that is one positive thing that I see in doctor. And another noticeable thing that I always see is that doctor always is in the clinic at 10 o'clock. There are a lot of places where we go, we end up waiting for like 10 o'clock is the appointment, 10:30, 10:45. Doctors come 1 hour, 1.5 hour late. One thing I've always seen is that here doctor is in at least 5 minutes earlier, and 10 o'clock sharp his appointments start. That is one big thing that I've seen in this clinic. Nowhere else I could see that. So that is one very, very, very positive thing about doctor, is that he's very punctual about his timing. And the ground staff over here, they are very welcoming, very receptive, and very helpful. They keep the things so organized that his schedule is well managed, and people don't need to wait for too long over here. So my experience with Dr. Manoj has given me a belief that whatever be your medical condition, however critical it be, I strongly believe that he will have a solution for that. So this is like a brief of my experience with Dr. Manoj's clinic from the past 10 years, 12 years that I've had. Thank you.